Hi, my name is Vicki Bebeau. I'm currently the Vice President of Clinical Affairs at a company called Velomedics out of Menlo Park, California. I've been in clinical research for over 18 years, both on the physician-patient care as well as the medical device industry. I'm also a member of the St. Cloud State University MedTech Advisory Board and have a strong clinical background in nursing. Today I'd like to talk to you about our applied clinical research program, and I thought it'd be best to start off with talking about what is clinical research. Many of us take for granted when we go to the pharmacy and get a prescription, have a diagnostic study done, or even an implant of a medical device. I don't think we often think about where did that technology come from and how did I get the opportunity to have it. We live in a very regulated world globally, and it's not just there for you. It takes a lot of work to get to that point. So what happens? There's a development process that happens at a lot of the medical device companies or pharmaceutical companies, and through that research comes the opportunity to prove efficacy, usability, and safety with these products. And that's where clinical research comes in. We build these programs, we build protocols, and we put together programs where we then go out and test the product, which means that we need patients, we need physicians, we need hospitals to help support the clinical research, and they take on a lot of risk along with us. But I think the most important piece that we keep in mind when we're conducting clinical research is the patient. The patients sign informed consents. They don't know if they're going to have a good outcome or not. So it behooves us in the clinical research arena to really make sure that clinical trials are run properly, that they're overseen to ensure that they're as safe as they possibly can be, and get that product out to the consumer with strong clinical data to support its use. ACR program allows you the opportunity to meet with professionals that are in this field, bringing you the most current education that you could possibly have, and allowing you to grow and go out there and find that job that's really going to give you the opportunities to grow a career from it. These individuals teaching this program are very committed to it. It's not just a job to them either. They are passionate about bringing you what you need to be successful as you continue to grow in your education. Several years ago, St. Cloud State had a vision. They were aware of a gap that was occurring in the industry, in the medical device industry here in Minnesota, and they approached professionals from the field to look at what could be done to help promote education in the areas that would help support some of these industries. And so with that, a group of professionals were pulled together by St. Cloud to help strategize and really put together a program, the first of which was the regulatory program, and then came the applied clinical research program, and now, most recently, the quality program. The intent of these programs is really to prepare students in the field of the specialty, which today I'm going to talk about the clinical research portion of it, but really to get you to really understand and feel confident walking into a medical device company of having the background that you need to not just build a job, but to build a career within the specialty. If you look at the market today, people come out of college, they have difficulty finding jobs, there are less opportunities in some areas, but in the field of clinical research, there's a lot of great opportunities. As we look at the medical device companies needing to gain approval for their products, they also have the requirements to continue to show outcomes for these patients. The healthcare systems, the hospitals, and the consumer out there are becoming more and more knowledgeable than they have ever been in the past. So a medical device company that normally would have a clinical trial to prove safety and efficacy also has to prove long-term outcomes. So when you look at the overall job market, there clearly is a tremendous amount of opportunity out there, especially for the entry-level positions coming into this field. St. Cloud State also offers, in addition to their master's program, they also offer courses, and I think there's a great opportunity for people, both within the industry as well as students considering going into one of these master's programs. If you're in the industry, you want to continue to grow your knowledge base or validate that you really do know what you thought in this field, these courses are great. But if you're a student and you're looking to continue into the master's program, this opportunity is there for you to attend these courses. It gets your foot in the door. It gets you an opportunity to learn what's there now and say, you know, this is exciting. I really think this is something I want to do. And you haven't put yourself into a whole program. So I think that this was really brilliant of St. Cloud State to put this together, because it gave you an opportunity to get in there early, find out if you really liked it, and then build your career from there. So I would offer up to any companies out there looking to hire students from St. Cloud State master's programs. What a better way to have an opportunity to hire somebody that really has shown an interest by committing to a master's program. They're going to come in with a base knowledge of regulatory statistics, anatomy, physiology, a baseline to really bring you a quality employee that's proven to you that, hey, I really want a career in this field. I'm here, hire me, and demonstrate and grow their career path from there. So I would offer to any of you that are interested in whether it's regulatory, quality, or clinical research to look into these programs, because they have a great opportunity for you here.